This is Michael Gerace with Clearview Sewer Chems. It is June 17th, 2022. We're performing a video sewer inspection through the 4-inch ABS plastic cleanout after hydrojetting. And we are located at 4930 Bluebell Avenue, Valley Village, California. And this is our 4-inch ABS plastic cleanout. We're going to set our camera right at the opening, zero out our camera monitor, get a good accurate reading. Okay, we're going to begin running through the line. Got a little debris from where the clean out is, just from the leaves and such want to fall in there because it's a little bit on the low side. It won't hurt anything, it'll wash through. Running in. The joints are a lot clearer. We're going to go a little slower by the joints just so we can see the joints. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. We had one area that we had a large amount of roots and it appears it might be broken. This area appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. Okay, it looks like we've got a pretty large break, I believe, at the top on here. We're going to push in a little bit more. Yeah, we got most of the roots out of there. We're going to pull back a tiny bit, but that's a break right there. We couldn't overdo it. We're going to pull back some more so you can see the area. There's actually a hole in the pipe right here, and we did mark this area out yesterday. It's in the driveway. We marked it with a black marker. And we're going to continue to push in. That area will have to be fixed. Have a little bit of remnants of some small roots in the next joint. Still appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. We get the majority of the roots out, but we don't want to overdo it and break pipe. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. Minor offset, very minor in the next joint, but still appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. We're heading out toward the street. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. There might be some hairline cracks in the piping. We're going to blow that up and look at that really good on the laptop back at the office. A little easier to see. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. Next joint appeared to be in fair and maintainable condition. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition as well. Sometimes what appears to be cracks is just markings on the piping from staining. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. So we'll take a good look at all of it on the laptop. We can slow this way down and view everything. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition from what I can see. Might be a little crack at the top at about the 11 o'clock area, but we'll double check it. It might just be a root remnant too, which it does appear to be, but we'll double check that as well. And continue to push in. That joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition. Next joint appears to be in fair and maintainable condition as well. We're just going to say fair, and that means fair and maintainable. That joint's in fair condition. That joint's in fair condition. Heading out toward the street. That joint's got an offset to it. You can see quite a bit of the face at the top of the piping. It's shifted, but it is shifted downward, and we don't have any major breaks in that area though. May have been this way for quite some time. We're going to continue to push in. Now we're in the 6-inch vitreous clay lateral going out into the street, making a pretty deep dive, and we're in the city sewer. So that will complete our video sewer inspection, and we will make our recommendations after looking at the video on the laptop and just identify everything we need to. We're going to begin pulling back now. We're going to pull back to the one break in the pipe, and we're going to just pause for one moment. Should be coming up to it momentarily. Turn. I think it's the next joint. And there's our brake. So we're going to pull back just a little tiny bit more, and we're going to pause right there. Okay, we just went over it with the realtor, and we showed Erica where the break is in the pipe, and it's marked out in the driveway area. I believe it was 2 foot 7 inches or 2 foot 9 inches deep. Right in between that. We'll continue to pull back. The rest of the joints that we saw all appear to be in fair and maintainable condition. And the line could be maintained, the sewer line, once that area is fixed, can be maintained with a chemical called Root X, R-O-O-T-X. Coming back toward our clean out, and we are up and out of our mainline sewer clean out, and we'll show the front driveway area going out toward the street, and now we'll conclude our video sewer inspection.